สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Som. If you plan to travel in Chiang Mai at least 1 month and looking for some place to live next to the city, I recommend this place, Farah House.
Farah House is located on Hoi Keo Road, Soi Chang Kien, a mere 10 minutes walk to Chiang Mai University and 20 minutes walk to Central Department Store. The compound is surrounded by nature, helping you add value to your lifestyle. Every unit is fully furnished, convenient, beautiful, and a place to call home.